Hello my dear students, and let me welcome you all for your preparation for Maharashtra State Board exams with Unacademy. So students, now let's begin the construction of circumcircle of a triangle. So before the actual construction, let me first tell you what is circumcircle of a triangle. So suppose this is a triangle ABC and there is a circle which touches all the three vertices of a triangle. That type of a circle is known as a circumcircle of a triangle. Okay. So what is circumcircle of a triangle? एक ऐसा सर्कल जो इसके ट्राइंगल के तीनों वर्टाइसेस से पास हो रहा है. ओके एक ऐसा सर्कल सच दैट अगर एक ट्राइंगल है तो उसके तीनों वर्टाइसेस उस सर्कल पे लाई कर रहे हैं. सो लेट्स बिगिन. फर्स्ट आपको ये जो ट्राइंगल है उसके साइड्स या एंगल्स वो सब दे रखे होंगे और आपको ट्राइंगल कंस्ट्रक्ट करना है. एंड देन अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट once you have constructed the triangle, then you have to draw the circumcircle. First let me draw any of the triangles right now. So I am just constructing this triangle. Okay, so this is my triangle. So this is my triangle ABC. Okay. After construction of the triangle, what I have to do? I have to take two adjacent sides and I have to draw the bisector, perpendicular bisector of these two lines. Now children, I have already explained you how to draw the perpendicular bisector. Go and watch that video again on the same channel. Okay, कि इस AB segment का perpendicular bisector कैसे बनाते हैं, BC का कैसे बनाते हैं, मैं अभी आपको फिर से बना के बता देती हूँ. So suppose first we will draw the perpendicular bisector of BC. So कितना extend करना है कि ये BC से 3/4 हो, at half से ज़्यादा हो. ठीक है. So now keeping the point at B, I will draw an arc like this on both the sides. Same measurement से यहीं पे point रख के ऊपर की तरफ भी arc बना दीजिए. Now taking the point on the other side, that is at C. Okay. Cut our previous arcs. Okay, so these two cuts we have got. Now we will join it with a dotted line. Now children, you can take any of the lines. आप AC का भी बाइसेक्टर बना के इससे ज्वाइन करा सकते हैं या AB का भी, any line. Okay, so I'll take AB. Now keeping the point at B, I am drawing an arc here. Okay, with the same measurement I am drawing an arc here. Now with A as the center, cut the previous arc. With A as the center, cut the previous arc. Okay. So can you see where are these arcs? One arc is here. Never darken it like this. Okay, I am doing it so that you can easily see it. And another is this one. Just join these two with dotted lines. आपको हमेशा एक sharpened pencil के साथ ये करना है. ठीक है. Now wherever these two bisectors are meeting, can you see it is meeting here? So this will be the center of your circle. So this is your center O, this point where these two perpendicular bisectors of the line segments are meeting. So you have got the center. Now take your compass, keeping your point at the center. You can take any of the vertices. या तो OB आप radius ले सकते हैं, OC ले सकते हैं या AC, OA ले सकते हैं. तीनों same होगा, right? So take this point and take the vertex B. Okay, so this is our radius. ये और B भी equal है. आप देख सकते हैं A पे भी touch हो रहा है और C पे भी touch हो रहा है, right? So now keeping this at center, you can draw a circle. Be very careful. This circle shall pass through all the three vertices properly. Okay. Mine will not be that accurate because my pencil is not that sharpened. But yes, see, it passed through all the three. Let me darken it. So I hope you understood what I did. I took two line segments and drew perpendicular bisectors of them. These two perpendicular bisectors met at a point. अगर आप AC का भी bisector बनाते तो वो भी इसी point पे मिलता. Now that you have got this point, take this point as the center and maybe OB as a radius or OC as the radius or OA as the radius. तीनों same point पे होंगे, right? And just draw this circle. I hope you have understood the concept of circumcircle very well. Now let's quickly revise. So I'm again drawing the triangle. So this is the triangle that I have drawn. Say triangle ABC. Okay. Now I have to take any two sides and draw the perpendicular bisectors of these two sides. So let's first bisect BC. So I have opened it slightly more than half, keeping the pointer at vertex B. I'll draw the arc on both the sides, keeping the same measurement, and now this point at C, cutting my previous arcs here and here. Can you see? Now just simply join this. By a dotted line we will join. And now we will take this line and make a perpendicular bisector. So I have taken the measure slightly more than half, draw an arc here and another arc here. Now keeping the same measurement and keeping the point at A, I will cut the previous arc here and here. Can you see this? So this and this is the point. So let's join now this with dotted line again. Now you can see that these two lines are meeting at this particular point. So we have got our center O. Now taking O and any vertex as the radius. So let me take O. Keep this point at center and any vertex as the radius. Just draw the circle. Okay. So this is the circle which has touched all the three vertices very well. I hope now you have understood the concept of circumcircle very well. So students, let's start the construction of incircle of a triangle. Before starting the construction, let me tell you what is incircle of a triangle. So any circle which touches all the three sides of a triangle is known as incircle of that triangle. So suppose there is a triangle ABC, okay, and there is this circle with center O. Now can you see this circle is touching line AB, that is side AB at this point, say P, BC at point Q and AC at point R. So any circle that touches all the three sides of a triangle at one point each is known as incircle. Now let's construct incircle. So my dear children, for construction of incircle, first you will be given the dimensions of the triangle. I have already explained you how to construct a triangle. So I'll roughly take any triangle here. So let me take a triangle like this. I am making a big triangle so that you understand the concept really well. Okay. So suppose this is my triangle. Okay. This is my triangle A, B, C of given measurement. You might be given this angle or this side, whatever. तो आपको कोई भी measurement दे रखा होगा और आपको first ये triangle बनाना है. उसके बाद इस triangle का incircle बनाना है. Okay. So now for this, first you will have to draw the angle bisectors. तो कोई भी दो एडजेसेंट नेबरिंग एंगल्स ले लेने हैं. सपोज आई एम टेकिंग एंगल बी एंड एंगल सी. ओके, हमेशा कोशिश करो कि बेस एंगल्स लो, डायग्राम बहुत नीट बनेगा. देन ओपन योर कंपास. Okay, first when you are keeping the pencil inside, make sure that this point and this point are in the straight line. Keep it on the desk and then check. This should be sharpened. Now open it a little bit. Okay, keep the point at B and draw an arc. Okay, now I have already shown you how to draw the angle bisector. If you have doubts, you can go and watch that video again. So I have drawn that arc. Now I can increase it a bit, और सेम भी रहेगा तो भी चलेगा, चेंज भी कर सकते हैं. अब ये पॉइंट यहाँ लगाना है जहाँ पे इस आर्क ने इस लाइन को बाइसेक्ट, इस लाइन को इंटरसेक्ट किया है. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे ये पॉइंट लगाना है और एक आर्क बनाना है. ना कीपिंग द सेम मेजरमेंट, ये पॉइंट अब यहाँ लगाना है. ठीक है, और इसको कट करो. अंडरस्टूड? Now simply join the vertex B and this point with a dotted line. So this line is basically the angle bisector of angle B. Okay, so I have drawn a dotted line and kept. Now I will draw an angle bisector of C. Watch again very carefully. Open it, keep the pointer at C, draw an arc. Now you can change the measurement या फिर ऐसे ही रहने दो तो भी चलेगा. Now keeping this pointer here, okay, draw an arc. Now keeping this here, cut the previous arc. Now you can join this vertex C and this point. This is the angle bisector. Now my dear children, you have to extend this line so that it meets your previous line. Okay, इन दोनों लाइंस को एक्सटेंड करके यहाँ मीट करवाना है ना. सो दिस पॉइंट इज योर सेंटर ऑफ योर सर्कल. ओके, O. So now we have got the center of the circle. What will be its radius? For this, open this, keep the pointer here. Okay, now cut our line, our base line BC at two different points. और यू कैन ड्रॉ अ फुल आर्क एज वेल. ऐसे पूरा आर्क भी बना सकते हो या फिर दो तरफ कट करके भी रख सकते हो. एनीवेज, गॉट इट? नाउ कीपिंग दिस पॉइंटर हियर. ओके, अब आप चेंज कर सकते हो मेजरमेंट, बट मैंने सेम मेजरमेंट में रखा है. ड्रॉ एन आर्क हियर, कीपिंग द सेम मेजरमेंट एंड कीपिंग द पॉइंटर हियर. नाउ कट दिस. तो एक्चुअली हम क्या बना रहे हैं? वी आर ड्रॉइंग द परपेंडिकुलर फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट. ओके, परपेंडिकुलर लाइन बना रहे हैं टू BC. नाउ जॉइन दिस O एंड दिस पॉइंट. सो wherever this line meets your BC, okay, mark it, say by D. तो ये OD जो होगा अब रेडियस होगा आपके इन सर्कल का, राइट? सो विद द सेंटर O and the radius as OD, you draw a circle. So what you will do? You will keep this point at O. Okay, इसको एडजस्ट करना है ताकि ये D पे टच हो जाए. Okay, and then keeping this firm here, you draw the circle. You draw the full circle. Okay, now this circle is not touching here exactly because my pencil was not sharpened enough. So you try doing this 2 to 3 times, you'll be perfect at it. So children, let's revise. So I'm drawing the in circle again, just taking any triangle. Now drawing two angle bisectors here. Now after drawing the angle, I will take this pointer here, make an arc, take this point here, cut the previous arc. I hope this is visible. Now join this with a dotted line. Again making another angle bisector here, drawing the arc like this, taking this point here. This line is so thick, so mine might not come correct, but you have to make use of a sharpened pencil. Can you see? Now just simply join these two. Can you see? They are meeting here. So we have already got the center O. Now we have to make a perpendicular from here to this base. So what you will do, keep the pointer here, stretch it a bit so that you are able to make 2 marks or the full arc. So I have made the full arc this time, keeping the point at this point where this arc has met our line segment. I draw an arc. Now keeping the same measurement, keeping the point here, okay, I cut the previous arc. Let me join this O and this with a dotted line. Okay, now this is the point OD, that is my radius. Okay, because this is now perpendicular distance. So this perpendicular distance of the center from this side is OD. If I draw a perpendicular, this will be equal and this perpendicular will also be equal. So now let's take this center O and this is now our radius. Now try to draw the circle. So easily the circle is made. Okay children. So I'll darken it a bit so that you are able to see it properly. So now can you see that this circle is touching all the sides of the triangle? Sorry. The circle is touching all the sides, all the 3 sides of a triangle at one point. Okay. So this was in circle.